Hello, good evening, guys. This is Ravie Iyer here, your English trainer. Today I'm going to teach you the infinitives. Infinitives are also one of the main parts of the non-finite verbs. We had discussed them in the earlier classes, and I had told you very clearly that they are those verbs that do not change with person and tense. They have the structure of to plus the first form of the verb or the base form of the verb. And sometimes they are also used without to, or you can also call them the bare infinitive. Let's look at some more sentences for practice. To do the right thing is my first priority. To make the cake, we need to have all the ingredients in place. I want to secure the highest position here. They want to meet the president at the presidential palace. I hope you have understood the meaning, the usage, and the right way of pronouncing them. Do write some sentences for practice purposes so that I could check and make use of the resources available so that you have a better understanding of the infinitives and the other parts of speech also. You can also get in touch with me on Ravie Iyer, RAVIEIYER @gmail.com, or on 88602 93549. Enjoy the training and learning both. Good evening, guys.